Welcome to FreshersNow channel. Today's video is about Assam Rifles Recruitment 2021. Viewers, if you want to read about the recruitment, check out the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for Assam Rifles Recruitment 2021 FreshersNow, and through FreshersNow website you can get all the details at one place itself. Download the Telegram app and join FreshersNow channel so that you can get regular job updates. If you want to join directly, the link will be placed in the description. Office of the Director General, Assam Rifles. Advertisement: Assam Rifles for Sportsperson Recruitment is as follows. It is dated on 24th of June 2021. The important information: for the last date of receipt of the applications will be on 25th of July as mentioned here. The applications received thereafter will not be entertained and will be accepted only through online mode only. Now, for application of the online form will start from 26th of June, and this particular recruitment is auto-generated, and please note, after the due date, there will be no acceptance of the applications. This recruitment rally is tentatively going to begin from 24th of August, depending on the COVID situation. Details are as follows. Now, according to the discipline or the department, the vacancies are divided. Now, these vacancies in total are furtherly divided into male and female categories. Now, for archery, there are 8 vacancies, 2 for male and 6 for female. For karate, you have 8 again. For judo, you have 18. For fencing, you have 4. For boxing, you have 14. For polo, you have 4 again. And next is the athletics section. In the athletics section, again, these are furtherly divided into 4 sections, which are 400 meters, 3000 meters, 5000 meters and long jump. Now, for all of these categories as well, again, they are divided into category wise, as you can see. Next off is the shooting department. You have pistol and rifle. For pistol, there are 5 vacancies, and for rifle, there are 5. In total, there are 131 vacancies respectively. Next off, you're going to know about where this particular notification is available. You can check out the official notification, and the vacancies also may increase or decrease anytime regarding to the organization rules. How to apply? You have to fill in the online application form by going into the web page and clicking on the online applications. You have to fill in all of the details and make the online payment, and then you have to send in, or you have to take your online receipt, print it out, and then report it when you and then the candidates, while reporting to the physical standard test and also the detailed medical examination, you have to take up the uploaded receipt or the application form in a print format when you go to the rally there. Then, in case of any non-submission of the receipt or the challan of the payment of the application, candidates will be rejected. And candidates, you have to also produce the printed online application form there and submit a copy of your call letters. You have to download that from the website directly. Now, when you are going to the PST or the medical examination, take in all the relevant documents by printing out them, whatever you have submitted. Next off is the application fees. For SC/ST candidates, there is no fees to be paid, or also the female candidates, you are exempted to pay any sort of application fees. Now, for others, which is general and OBC, you have to pay ₹100. You can pay to the address as mentioned here. The SBI current account and the address is mentioned here. You can note this down and send in the payment of the application. Next off is the details regarding the eligibility criteria. Whoever is in between 18 to 23 years can apply for the rifle post, and the education is matriculation pass. And here you can see from this part of the notification the qualification criteria, which means whoever is in from a sports quota, if you are having an awarding certificates, the preference will be given to you. So if you have participated in any international competition, you should have an authoritative or authority of awarding certificate, which is Secretary of the National Federation of the Game concerned. And you have, and remaining of the competitions also are as follows. So whichever competition you have taken part in, you should have the awarding certificate respectively. Further, you will be given the preference. Now, for the age limit is 18 to 28 as mentioned, but for SC/ST candidates it's 18 to 33. The age relaxation is applicable according to the rules. Then you have to also upload all of the relevant documents of your education and also your awards or awarding certificates, experience certificates, or any of the relevant certificates which is essential. Next off is the details regarding the preference section. In this preference section, you can know about which particular category will be given the first preference. The level wise preference list is given here. The first preference is given to the candidates who are represented the country in an international competition. Next will be given to the state. Next will be given to the persons who have represented their university or the university competitions. Next to the state, union territory, or the university, state, schools, etc. So level wise preferences list is given here. Next is the selection process. The candidate is in possession of the valid call letters. ID proof and the voter ID should be provided there. The initial documentation will be followed by producing all of the original documents or the certificates which is relevant. If the candidate in the initial verification, if they are found that the documentation is invalid or anything which is not original, then the candidate will be rejected at the moment. Next up is the details regarding the physical standard test, the height and also the relevant weight or the chest details which are given here. For all of the categories or all over India, for male candidates you should have 170 centimeters and female it's 157. Now for all of the rest is regarding the states and also the categories that you're belonging to. Now whoever is belonging to the respective states, the height and the details of the physical test is given here. So you have to fulfill those in order to be eligible. You can check out the notification. And next is the details regarding the conduct of the field trial will be conducted according by the board of officers at the rally site itself, and candidates should be in the possession of the personal sports dress and a gear kit equipment along with the tools required, and then marks will be awarded to the candidates according to the performance. And next, pregnancy at any time is not considered, will be a disqualification. And then regarding the PST and DME test will be taken up by the organization, and also the eyesight details, better eye is N6 and worse eye is N9. And you have to please make sure about the vision details as well as it is taken into consideration. Next is about tattoos and the location of the tattoos. Locations of the tattoos marked on traditional sides of the body like the inner aspect of the forearm, but only to the left arm, being non-saluting limb or of the hands are to be allowed. And then the candidate will be examined as per the medical guidelines as mentioned here. The medical details of the examination as mentioned here. The review should be under 15 days, and those of the candidates appeals to be found in order will be intimated through email or SMS or to mobile number which you have provided in the application form. The final selection will be based on the achievements of the performance in the field trials or the level of participation done by the candidates. Merit list and the issue of the provisional appointment is going to be through the level of participation or the achievements, physical standard test or the medical examinations, and also the performance in the field trial will be accepted in the merit list. The rejection of the applications information infurnished by the candidate's application form is to be false at any stage, then the candidate will be rejected. And also if you have not fulfilled any of the criteria set by the organization or the rules which you have not fulfilled, you will be cancelled at any time. Then mobiles and other electronic devices are banned, are exempted. Now overcrowding also is not allowed due to the COVID situation. Pay scale will be admissible according to the rules of the organizations. If you have any queries, please contact the number. The recruitment branch number is here and you can call them up and ask your queries. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section, and if you want to read this notification, you can check out the same notification link from the description as well. Do subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.